So hello guys, as you can see this video is very uncertain and unplanned. Actually we were changing the jaw plate of our machine, so suddenly this rain with hailstorm burst and you can see a heavy hailstorm. So let's enjoy the video. So as you can see guys, the heavy rain is just flowing inside my control room, and you can see this is my generator. So this is my Mahindra generator. The generator is all flooding inside now, so we are planning to make a channel so that the water would not penetrate inside our control panel room. Actually this is a very common phenomena that often happen during rainy season in our place. So guys, you can see a very strong gust of wind was also blowing simultaneously with the hailstorm. So that's my under construction building, and that's a local hut. You can see there all the leaf has been blown, the trees has broken, everything is flooded now.
अरे वो तीना होना पूरा उड़ गया तो उधर का घास उस पूरा गिर गया तो.
Actually I'm really shocked because it was a very hot sunny day, normal climate, but suddenly this strong gust of wind, hailstorm and rain, all of a sudden it came from nowhere. This really happens in Himalayan ranges.
जल्दी जाओ ए गौर अपना अपना उठाओ और बताओ बिस्तर बताओ अबर ऊपर बिस्तर तो बोल. अरे क्रशर का पूरा तीना होना उड़ गया यार. वो घास गिर गया ना. आपका भी खत्म हो गया. नहीं मेरा खत्म. हम सोने का जगह नहीं. हमने पूरी पूरा का गौर उड़ गया होगा. एक बार देखने जाना पड़ेगा उसमें. वो दर्द है, हम भी पकड़े तो.
So guys, our pickup truck carriage is all filled with this small ice balls. Thanks for watching the video guys, and if you like it, please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.